Okay, here's what we got. Working on the rooftop. Ugh, crazy here. Deck access, the hatch we're making. Exhaustive efforts into trying to get the brazing to work. Couldn't get it to work. More than likely, it's just lack of skill on my part. I've tried 3 different ways to do it. Short of buying some really expensive equipment to use one time, I'm not going to do it. So I'm going to take you a tour on what we're doing. This, okay, it just switched to black and white and I have no idea why. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Got color again. Welcome back to post 50s. We did is we cut pieces of angle. Okay. These are pieces of angle. We went and bought some 2-inch aluminum angle. This is an 1/8 inch thick, but it's 2 inches this way and this way. And it gives us basically so we can attach like that. Problem we ran into is late, tired, and made a boo-boo. See this boo-boo here? See this gap right here? This should be flush with that. It's not. It should be more like this one, which is flush with that one for the most part. That's close enough. Okay. Because it's not flush, this side is bigger than the other side. So tomorrow, we're going to fix that. But right now, we're done. It's hot, it's tired, it's late. I think it's, I don't know, it feels like 2 in the morning. But, okay, maybe not 2 in the morning because the sun's still out. You get the idea. But it's late. I'm tired. So, mañana. Okay, picking off where we left off yesterday. As you can see, there's this part right here. This should be flush. They're not. That's a boo-boo. So Pops is going to grind these 2 off. We're going to pop them out, move it over, drill new holes, and put them back in. The reason we're drilling new holes is it only has to go over about half the width of one of these holes, which makes that kind of a mistake, a boo-boo. So we're going to put a new hole over here on both of these. So, and then we'll get it back together. So here we go. Hold on. Pops is like, I'm ready to go. Hold on, Pops. Let me get this. Let me end the earthquake. I got these people in. He's like, okay, fine. I'll wait. He's like a little, I don't know, some kind of Russian rush horse or something. I don't know. Okay, go ahead, Pops. Oh, I gotta move the camera. All these lefties. No, I don't want to do it. I'm tired of hitting things. We're gonna move the camera. You guys enjoy the. Let me make sure you're on film. Hold on. Okay, go ahead. Anytime you're ready. Well, you're still left-handed, so I'm gonna move it over there.
Okay.
I'm gonna move you guys again. Hold that thought. I'm trying to get it a place you can see it, but it's a small little area, and you got 2 clumsy little baby ogres working on it. Maybe that'll work. what we got up close. Hold on. Let me move you around like a hurricane. No, earthquake. I don't know, something where you shake a lot. Like we're making scrambled eggs. That is our hatch. Now, I know there's a lot of feedback with that light or whatever, but we had to cut it. Let me bring it up here. So that this is the hatch here. And then here, we had to bring this up, but I want to keep as much of this flange because that gives rigidity to it. That's the strength, keeping this part from wobbling back and forth. And then we had to actually cut more of this than I wanted to, but that's okay. But giving it strength. So let me take you to the outside, see what it's gonna kind of look like for us. This is our rooftop. I don't know if we showed you folks this yet or not. It's orange. Well, copper. Rust. I don't know. I like the color. I was trying to keep my gay cards. I don't actually know what that color is, but it's pretty cool. That's the other light. This one comes up. But what we are looking at, we had to poke it through, so you had that. Okay. We needed it to stick up far enough that down the side here, we'll be able to put a lid that can come down. That's why we had to cut up so much. And that is our hatch. But as you can see, it's getting windy, dark and cloudy, and they are forecasting some significant rain today. So, sorry folks, it's time to batten down the hatches.